Hello, I'm Andy, and I'm going to read to you a program called Lotteries for October 2019, and I will use Kabbalistic astrology and the tarot cards as well. And so I'm going to read to you coming from Gemini. And I've done some homework for you. And for the month of October, I've divided the 9 planets into two groups. And for the first group, I've tracked their numbers. And what they've given me is this series of numbers from the first 5 planets. The number 5, 14, 23, 32, 41, 50, 59, and 68. And then the other group of 4 planets have gone there with them. And now from there, I've got these numbers for you. The numbers 6, 15, 24, 33, 42, 51, 60, and 69. So I've got these two sets of numbers to give you using Kabbalistic astrology. And for the third set, I'm going to use the Kabbalistic tarot cards to see for you coming from Gemini what the numbers are going to be. So let me shuffle my cards and let's see from this card. Okay, from this card, this is the card that I've pulled. And from this card, I'm going to use the 3 series. And that means the number 3, 12, 21, 30, 39, 48, 57, and 66. So I've got these 3 sets of numbers for you. Now, what do you do with all these numbers? Well, if you've been to see me for a 90-minute session, which would have cost you USD $50, and based on your date of birth and time of birth and looking at your palms, I would have taught you then what to do. I would have given you your lucky colors. So I will ask you to go and buy paper of certain lucky colors. Bring it home, cut it into 2-inch by 2-inch strips, and write on each 2-inch by 2-inch just one number. Then I would have given you your lucky days to perform certain things. It's very simple, and to choose your lottery numbers on these lucky days, and even to go and buy your lucky color paper on these lucky days, and even to go and buy your lottery ticket on these lucky days. I would have given you your lucky directions based on your date of birth, time of birth, and looking at your palm. And you have to face your luckiest direction or any of them when you start to choose your numbers. So all this I would be teaching you. And I will teach you many other forms of energy, how to get into the supernatural side of you, how to use that energy, because we need that supernatural energy, which some people call the soul, some call it the guide, some call it the force of energy, divine energy. Whatever it is, we need that energy to get supernatural things done, like lotteries, for example, how to make money out of thin air at the casino, or even in areas of financial speculation like the stock market and forex. So I will teach you all that. In the meantime, you just cut out the slips of paper, write each of this number on one paper, and fold it up so you can't see it, and you just start choosing from there. So you see, when you see me for a 90-minute session, I will show you a lot of ways how to get the best kind of energy to get supernatural things done, like winning lotteries. Well, for the time being, you carry on this way. And these 3 sets of numbers which I've given you, 2 of them were using Kabbalistic astrology. 1 was using Kabbalistic tarot cards. And I wish you the best of luck for them. And I would also have taught you, if you had come to see me, when to go and buy your lottery tickets on what dates, depending on your date of birth, time of birth, and looking at your palms. Your palms will show me whether you have those mystical signs of winning lotteries. And it's from there, your palms, that I will also use how to get your lucky numbers when you come to see me. Until then, I wish you the best of luck for October 2019. Thank you and goodbye.